Bamboo Semi Skewers 100 pieces of approximately 6.5 by 5 mm all natural high-quality bamboo semi skewers. Multi-purpose sticks perfect. Main use are for any kind of food such as candy apple, caramel apple, homemade lollipops, corn dogs, cake pops, kebab, any other food on a stick, but you can use them as arts and crafts for some DIY projects or gardening. Easy piercing tips are tapered to a blunted semi-point for easier piercing and no danger while eating. Any occasions. Great for any occasions, parties, events, food catering or for any home use purposes. Eco-friendly. Made from 100% bamboo. Highly renewable resource. All natural. Top reviews from the United States. Works great with blowgun darts. Use these how I did at your own risk. Okay, I realize these are made to skewer food, but they work great with my cold steel professional 4 feet blowgun. Use these at your own risk, like I said. The length is almost perfect for size and balance when used in conjunction with the back end of a stun dart. The plastic stun darts separate the dum-dum front end from the cone back end. The back end, cone end, of a plastic stun dart inside diameter is just a little bigger than 5 mm. With a couple wraps of Teflon tape, these skewers fit snugly into the cone end of the stun dart, and they generally stay put. These skewers are straighter and stronger and shorter than the original bamboo skewers that came with my blowgun, but the weight is close to the same due to the decreased length compared to the longer, thinner skewers. I had used some 3 mm skewers and they were pretty good, but I had to cut them in 1/2 and wrap more tape around them than the 5 mm diameter skewers. These are almost all perfectly uniform, and minus the couple wraps of Teflon tape, very little effort to get them up and running.